Hi, I'm Bo with Windsor, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Windsor Presto Extractor. The Presto is the perfect machine for cleaning up spots and spills on carpet. The Presto has a 2-gallon solution tank and a 2-gallon recovery tank. In order to access the solution tank, simply undo the latches at each end, lift off the recovery tank, and you can fill your 2-gallon solution tank. When you're finished, unlatch the recovery tank and dump and rinse. So there you have it. You now know everything that you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Windsor Presto Extractor.